All right, guys, this might be the most important video that you watch this week, so I strongly encourage you to watch the entire thing. I'm going to explain two things here. The first thing that I'm going to explain is the risk line and where high risk investments sit on that line compared to low risk investments. And I'm then going to explain to you why Bitcoin has dropped so much. And with the new announcement coming up over the weekend with Iran and USA reaching an agreement, which should be signed on the 19th to stop the war and open up the Strait of Hormuz, that this could be the biggest opportunity for you as a retail investor. So let's have a look at that risk line. So on the far left of the risk line, you have risk-free rate of return, interest earning assets such as bonds or leaving money in the bank, okay? And then on the far right, you have high risk investments such as AI and Bitcoin. Now, what you've seen over the past 6 to 8 months is the risk-free rate of return on the far left has been going up and up and up because of inflation, all right? With the Strait of Hormuz closed, we've got oil prices going up, production costs going up, everything's going up in price, and therefore the feds are trying to slow down the economy and they push up interest rates to discourage borrowing, okay? Now, what that does to investments is money from Bitcoin, from other assets that are high risk, is taken out and it is pushed into more risk-free investments, all right? And that's why we've seen so much money flow out of ETFs and things like that in the crypto world. Now, just recently, over the weekend, Iran and USA have made an agreement which will be signed on the 19th of June, and that'll be signed in Switzerland. And what you need to understand is if this is signed and the market's already pricing it in that it will be signed, we should see a lower risk environment. We should see inflation come back into control. Hopefully, rather than rate hikes coming, we should see some rate cuts. The risk-free rate of return is reduced and money starts to flow back into higher risk investments like Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is down from 126,000 down to about 60,000 last week. Now it's at 65,000. The market's pricing in this shift already. And this is your opportunity. You would have seen me personally buying large amounts of Bitcoin over the past month or so, because this is something that sophisticated investors understand. So if you're sitting there umming and ahhing and you're not sure what to do, I strongly encourage you to register for my live webinar where I teach you all of this information as well as how to actually put a strategy in place and take advantage of markets like cryptocurrencies. So comment wealth on this post and I'll send you the link to register for that. Don't look back in 3-6 months time when you've missed the opportunity, everything's ran again. Comment wealth and I'll send you the registration link. Can't wait to see you guys there.